In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly create Jira issues directly from your Gmail inbox. This integration can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing you to convert relevant emails into actionable tasks in Jira with just a few clicks. So let's dive in and get you set up. First, open your Gmail account as you usually do. You'll notice a Google Workspace Marketplace icon towards the right side of your screen, which looks like a plus sign within a square. Go ahead and click on that. This marketplace is a treasure trove of productivity tools, and among them you'll find the capability to link your Gmail to Jira. Next, in the search bar of the marketplace, type in Email and Tasks, Jira Cloud for Gmail. This is the specific add-on we need to make the conversion process work smoothly. Once you find it, click on the Install button to get it set up. You might be prompted to allow certain permissions. These are necessary for the add-on to function properly, so click Allow when prompted. After installation, you'll see the Jira Cloud for Gmail add-on appear in the right sidebar of your Gmail interface. Click on it to proceed with the setup. To start using it, you'll need to connect your Jira account to this add-on. Follow the prompts to log into your Jira account. Once logged in, this add-on will integrate your Gmail and Jira platforms, allowing them to communicate and exchange data effectively. Now let's see how it works in practice. Open any email in your inbox that you'd like to turn into a Jira issue. With the email opened, revisit the Jira Cloud for Gmail add-on in the sidebar. Click on it and you'll see the option to add an issue. Click on Add Issue to start the process. This action will open a form where you'll fill in the details for your new Jira issue. Start by selecting the relevant Jira project from the drop-down menu. This ensures that the issue is categorized under the correct project. Next, you will choose the type of issue. Depending on what fits your needs, you might select a task, bug, story, or another type. Once you've determined the issue type, choose the assignee. This is the person who will be responsible for handling the issue in Jira. It's important to assign tasks to ensure accountability and clear tracking. Moving on, you'll need to create a summary for the issue. Think of this as a concise headline that describes what the task or problem is about. The more clear and descriptive, the better. Following this, the description field is typically auto-filled with the body of the email you're converting. This provides context and detail directly from the email content, but you can also edit this field to tailor the information as needed. Finally, once all the details are filled into your satisfaction, go ahead and click Create. And there you have it, your email is now successfully converted into a Jira issue. This powerful integration saves time, reduces the chance of losing track of important communications, and enhances your overall project management workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your email and task management processes.